Now, Cognizant has hired 489 B school graduates, and a third of them never studied a STEM subject. Well, before we get into what we have all studied and studied well for last 10 years is Cypher. And we arrived at the fact that it is India's biggest AI summit and expo. Yes, IBM Bob presents Cypher 2026, which makes it bigger than ever. It is going to take place in October of this year. The venue is KTPO Bengaluru, and there are 500 plus speakers, 150 plus demos every single day, by the way. Networking opportunities, there's an expo. Then Navya Naveli Nanda is going to be there, Vatsal Seth is going to be there, Lakshmi M. Iyer is going to be there, Arjun Eregasi, who is Indian chess grandmaster, he will be there. So, well, you'll get to go ahead and hobnob with a lot of the who's who in the tech and AI ecosystem. Don't miss the opportunity. Be at IBM Bob presents Cypher 2026. And now, back to Cognizant and what we really need to be cognizant of. Now, these Cognizant recruits come from 58 B schools across 37 cities. IIM Bangalore, IIM Kozhikode, ISB Hyderabad, and XLRI Jamshedpur are a few among them. Now, they're going through Talent Accelerator, which is a new 2-week onboarding program running simultaneously across Cognizant's Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Pune offices. Now, it blends company orientation with functional sales and marketing training and puts new hires in front of leadership within the first 2 weeks, not months in. Yes, that's the distinction. Now, over 37% of the cohort studied non-STEM subjects like sociology, psychology, office management, secretarial practice, and of course, industrial design. Over 42% are women. Fabulous. Cognizant India Chief Rajesh Warrier said cognitive diversity is essential to creating value for clients and associates, and that mixing interdisciplinary talent from day one helps bridge the gap between what AI can do and what a business actually needs. Now, this practice fits a bigger target. Cognizant recently committed to scaling up to 5,000 frontier certified engineers and 10,000 frontier business operators. Now, the workforce says enterprises need to actually turn AI capability into results, and rightly so. Hiring non-STEM B school grads is part of that same push, building the interdisciplinary skills that AI era truly is starting to demand, which then brings us to the front page take. Now, this we feel is Cognizant hoping that the AI skills gap isn't really about the coding gap, for sure, clearly. They are suggesting this to be a translation gap where someone still needs to turn what AI can technically do into what a client actually wants solved. Hiring a psychology and design graduate alongside engineers is honestly a real chance that interdisciplinary judgment becomes more valuable as AI absorbs the technical work itself. And of course, it's worth noting that when more IT firms figure out what an AI era workforce should actually look like, they might actually start to tread the path Cognizant is starting to walk on. But then, those are our thoughts. What are yours? Please do let us know in the comments below. This is Gentleman's Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.